Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to solve n-queen problem. I have taken the 4 queens problem here. So before solving this problem, so let us know what is n-queen problem. N-queen problem is a problem of placing n queens in the n into n, like n into n chessboard, so that the no queen should attack each other. So which means like no n queen should share the same row, same column, and the diagonal. So we all know that the how the queen will move in the chessboard. Let's take one example. So this is the queen. So the queen is going to move in this row, this column, and in the diagonally also it will move like this, and in the right diagonal. So like now if I want to place any of the queen in this chessboard means like I can place here, and I can place here, and I can place here, so as well as I can place here, but I cannot place the queen in this row, in this column, in this diagonal element, and also in this diagonal. So we cannot place the queen in this diagonal, the same row, same column. So which means it's going to it's going to attack each other. So by keeping it in mind, so we are going to solve this problem. So let's start. Here we are going to solve this n queen problem for the four queens. So we have to keep it in a mind that it should follow the rules. So that is like the queen should not be placed in the same row, same column, and in also the diagonal. So let's solve this four queen problem. So this cell represents the first row. So first we have to place the number one queen, that is first queen, in the first row. So now I am going to place the queen in the first row. So now I am going to place the queen in first row, first column. So now now I have to now I have to place the queen in the second row. So for that I am taking the second row here. Can I place the second queen here? No, because so it's going to attack each other, because the second queen is going to be in the first queen's the column. So I cannot place the second queen here, and also I cannot place the second queen in here because it's going to attack in the diagonally. So but I can place the second queen in 2 comma 3 element, so that is here. And next, next I am going to place the third queen, so that is in third row. So can I place the third queen in this this column? So no, I cannot place because it's going to attack in this column. Can I place in this column? So no, it is not possible because it's going to attack diagonally. So can I place here? It is also not possible, and also it is also not possible. So the we have to we have to change this element to the next element. For that, so we are going to backtracking. So we are going to using the backtracking. So we are backtracking here. So we want to move this queen into the next position. So now I am going to place this second queen in 2 comma 4. Here also I will change. And now it's time for the third queen. So like, can I place? I cannot place here. So I can place here. So no, because no queen is attacking each other. Like, I can place here. Now it's time for the fourth row. Now it's time for the fourth row. Can I place the fourth queen in this column? No, it is not possible because like here the queen like one is present. So can I place here? No, it is not possible because so queen 3 is present, and I cannot also place the queen 4 in here because it's going to attack in diagonally, and also it is not possible to place the queen 4 in the fourth column because like queen 4 is going to attack each other with the queen 2. So the move that we have did is like wrong, so we want to backtrack to this like beginning, so to make the changes. Now I'm going to backtrack. So like, I would like to check whether like there is any other move, so I can place the so queen 4 in this fourth row. So but so I cannot place queen 3 in any of the another cell because it is going to attack each other. So if I place here, it's going to attack diagonally. If I come into, if I move this queen into this cell, so it's going to attack which queen 1. So I'm going to remove the queen 3. So then I will check for the queen 2. So no, like there is no other cell to move the queen to the next cell, so I'm going to remove this is also. So before that, so we have to backtrack queen 3 to the queen 2, so that the all the move we did from q2 to q4 is completely wrong. So like, now I would like to move this queen 1 to this second column. So like, now I would like to check whether like, is there is any possible of placing every queen in this like row, like without making attacking each other. So like from the fourth row, I'm backtracking to this like first row. So now I'm going to move this queen onto this second column. So next it times for the queen 2. So that is, I will check. So can I place queen 2 here? No, it is not possible, as it's going to attack each other in diagonally. It is also not possible because it going to come in the same column. It is also not possible because of diagonal. So but I can place the queen 2 here, queen 2 in 2 comma 4. So now I'm come to the third row. So that is the queen 3. So now I will check whether I can place in this row. So can I place here? I think I can place the queen 3 in this so third row and first column. So because it's not going to attack each other, and then I'm going to place the queen 4 in the fourth row. So like, I will check for the like queen 4. Can I place in this fourth row? Can I place queen 4 in this column? No, it is not possible because it's going to attack each other. So can I place here? So no, I cannot place here, but I think I can place here. Yeah, it's not going to attack each other. Like I can place here. So now the like, I have placed I have placed every queen in this row like without attacking each other. So the n queen problem is complete now. So after placing every queen in this particular row, so we have to take the column. We have to note down this column. So that is x equals to 2. So x equals to 4, x equals to 1, and x equals to 3. This is how the like n queen problem is going to work.